Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download a YouTube video straight to your phone. Now let's head straight to YouTube where we pick a video we want to download. So now that we are here, we just have to get a video, any video of your choice which you want to download. So I'm just going to pick any of the video here. Okay, let's say this is the video we want to download. So all you want to do is click on share. You click on the share button, this one right here. You click on it, and then we're going to copy the link. You click on copy link. Link has been copied. So let's head straight to our Chrome browser. When you get to your Chrome browser, you want to search for Y2Mate. So on your search bar, you're going to search for Y2Mate. So this is it at the top of the screen. Here, this is it right here, Y2Mate. So you click on it. Yeah, it's going to bring you to this interface. So all you want to do is just paste the link you copied from YouTube. Just paste it right here. As you can see, the video is here. So you want to close. So now it's giving you different option on which quality you like to download. So I love downloading the best quality. So I'm just going to click on this first download here, the MP4 auto quality. So in a second now it will begin to download. Let's just be patient. So it will bring you to this space where you click on download again. So as you can see, it's downloading. But mind you, before you get to this point, it's going to show you a whole lot of ads. All you need to do is just remove the ad. You don't need the ad, just remove it. So let's go straight to my gallery to see the video I just downloaded. Okay, so right here is the video right in my phone. So if you got value, please subscribe and like this video. See you in another video.